twinkling.
A growing number of bodies of Algerians in woods.
Test alert! Test alert!
It's Dave this month.
Emergency or dangerous situation. Official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is beginning at 4:51 a.m. and ending at 6:51 a.m. Emergency or dangerous situation. Emergency management. Like new. I don't need that. Emergency alert system. But there's been an actual emergency or dangerous situation. Official messages and radio station. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, local broadcast station cable provider. A required monthly test is in effect
WTZB is relaying the statewide test this month.
Radio station. Test for all Florida. Tune to your local TV.
Look at the first relays, it looks like. Alright, we're waiting for 2 more stations now. And there'll be 15 more minutes. Alright, let's wait 15 more minutes and see what happens.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Florida beginning at 4:51 a.m. and ending at 6:51 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. But there's been an actual emergency or dangerous situation. Official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test. A required monthly test is in effect for all Florida. Tune to your local TV or radio station.
Alright, that was the RMT for April.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message decoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the evening, unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWC 59. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal, warning, and alarm for transmitters in Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. Will alert county or counties affected by a particular. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the evening, unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Forecast for WG59 listening. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the Pacific warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. The Sarasota Bradenton climate summary for this evening as of 5 p.m.
Probably gonna go off again. Yeah. Alright.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted at 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. The Sarasota Bradenton climate summary for this evening.
For this test, I was joined by
Road safety.
Role play.
Ruskin emergency alerts.
And East Melbourne WX, but he's not here.
Is he asleep again?
Oh boy. Anyway, this test turned out to be successful. I will snatch the live stream, and you probably just see it if you're at this point of the video. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this, and that's it. Alright, now that I'm home, let's see which radios went off. Here's the 400. CL100 on WXK. 262 did not go off as per usual. There's the 100 B5, 120, R1630 with 4 minutes left. It has that 6-hour glitch that they're known for. This is the time they tested. I'm going to change this back to their normal time. That's set to wink, the FM band, more like 300. And the zone guard's turned off. HH, it was on not WXK83, WWG59. Oh, it's at school. Alright, so that's that.